Come on in. Come on in, y'all. It's that time again. We doing something a little bit different for Sunday dinner today. I'm up and out, but we're going to still do something different. We're going to do some hamburgers, some turkey burgers, corn on the cob, some fries, and then some mushrooms and onions I'm going to saute for those burgers. Got the burgers in the pan now, some turkey burgers and regular burgers going. So y'all come on in and hang out with me for a little while we get this meal ready to go. It's an easy meal, not a whole lot of prep because the burgers are already formed. And I'm just put a little bit of complete seasoning, a little garlic powder, sprinkle it on them and fry them up. Of course, this is Butterball brand turkey burgers that we're cooking. And let's see, I think these are Bubba burgers. No, sorry about that. These are Philly Gourmet 100% pure beef patties. So they're 8 in a pack of those for $8. So that's not a bad deal. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing for the flavor train this afternoon. It's not going to take that long, y'all. Just got, you have to cook those burgers good and done. These turkey burgers especially are real nice and thick. So it takes a little bit longer for them. But the hamburgers are not so thick. They're a fourth of a pound, I think. The turkey burgers are 1/3 of a pound, so they're a little bit thicker. Okay? So we just put them in there and fry them up. I mean, not a whole lot I can tell you about them, except I know they're a good brand, and we're going to make a good meal out of them this afternoon, so hang in there with me. Little trick of the trade when you cook it, if that bottom of that pan starts to burn a little bit, just turn your spatula over and scrape like that and pull it up. That way you don't have to take everything out and pour the grease out and start over. So just scrape it just like that and see all that little burnt will come right up off the bottom of that skillet. Just a little tip. Okay, y'all, everything is rolling. I got my 1 pound of mushrooms and 1/3 of a cup of oil and some onions sauteing in that pan. Got those burgers, the last one. I got 2 more to put in there. Got those over off the side. And of course, I got that corn back there on that back burner. This is the super sweet bird's eye that I purchased today. Wonderful. All I got to do is drop some butter on that, and we're going to have this meal on the table. It takes about 30 minutes to get this done, y'all. Okay, y'all, everything is coming together nicely. Those mushrooms and onions are ready. I'm dropping some butter in there on top of them. And we're about to end that session. That one's a little brown. Yum, yum. Okay. So, yummy, y'all. I think all my turkey burgers are ready to come out, y'all. Yep. Got my turkey burgers out. Got the last of the regular burgers in here. Okay. I always cut my turkey burgers. They're so thick, I have to cut them a little bit to make sure that they're good and done. Okay. Yep, this meal is about to be on the table. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the burgers and put them like so. And I believe I'm going to put my mushrooms and onions. I'm trying to, because I want to go ahead and do my cleanup. Put my mushrooms and onions over here in the pan. And my dish, because I got such a big old dish for my burgers. So put these mushrooms on one end. And the onions, just put them on one end. That away. I can clean this pan up. You won't have to come back to it. Okay. We got our mushrooms and burgers over here in one pan. Got 4 more to put in there and I'll be done. Okay, we're about to drag the last of these burgers on up out of here so we can end the cooking process. One more. It doesn't really take that long to cook the beef ones because they're not that thick. So the burgers are all there. 8 regulars and 6 turkey ones. So we only got 14 burgers going on here, y'all. So, alright. Clean up time for my pan here. So, let's go over here. And I think I'm just going to pan saute some asparagus. Hold on one second. Let me go in the fridge. I need to get that asparagus going.
No, see, you're doing too much.
I need to. No, you don't even need this asparagus. I need to cook the asparagus. Asparagus costs too much to let it go bad.
Right. No, I need
to.
I'll wait till you finish the sort of clanging and banging on the video.
Nobody need no real clanging and banging on that. That's all I got to do.
You said Tansy's.
She gave me that asparagus last week. I said, and asparagus will last a long time, but if it starts going bad, it'll just go. Once it starts that process, it just goes. Okay, the corn's done. Let's get it over here. Get right there.
So you can use them Chinese plates and you ain't got to worry about the issue.
Mm-hmm. That's that corn.
Why is your camera outside of it?
That's just the way this thing's set up. Okay, y'all got that corn going. I've already boiled it. Remember, I always put about 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon of salt in there. Boil it up. This is like 12 little ears, really 6 big ears. Boil that corn for about 20-30 minutes. Let it get nice and tender. And then I put a 1/4 cup of sugar in that water. Boil it up real good, and then pour that water back off and drop my butter in there. So what I'm doing now is just tossing it in the butter. So there's nothing in that pot, in the bottom of that pot now, but pure butter. And maybe a couple tablespoons of that water that I boiled it in. But for the most part, that's just butter. And the corn is ready. I'm gonna douse it with a little bit of black pepper. You know you have to have pepper on corn, y'all. Let's see. Let's hit it. Probably about a half a teaspoon of butter. There we go. I mean, of black pepper, y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. The corn all nice and tossed. The kids came and left. They're going to take Norrique somewhere. I thought, wonderful. He'll get to go play with some other little kids. How about that? So, they're all gone. So, it's just going to be Tanya and I. Because Tony is working. Kareem is saying, you know, it's March Madness now for basketball. So, the guys all like to get somewhere where they can go get all together and yep and hoop about Carolina and Duke, I guess. Okay, y'all. Excuse me, I was tasting the mushrooms. They are wonderful, y'all. When I say wonderful, I mean wonderful. Okay. I have got my fixings all on the side. Okay, let me do this. I'm going to do the asparagus as a side dish, as a little afterthought dish. So I've got the corn ready, the burgers are all ready, And we're going to fix them up with cheese and lettuce and tomatoes, mayo, and we got the pickles and all the fixings to go with it. Hold on one sec. Okay, y'all, I'm all done with the hamburgers, the mushrooms, the corn on the cob, and these are the fixings. We're about ready to sit down, relax, and enjoy part one of the meal, let's say that. So listen, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Until I get ready to cook again, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm going to say toodaloo.